right, now I'm on this bike. Let me get used to it. Damn, this is a whole nother beast. I have to take it easy though. Damn, son. Reminds me of my Z900 actually. Sorry guys. Yo, it's so freaking tall though. Holy shit. Actually, my Z900 was taller. Man, you are sitting so like aggressive though. Holy crap, I like it. Okay, this is fun. Alright, Z900, I'm not giving it back to you. You could keep the bolt. This is my bike now. I wonder what he's thinking about my bike. Oh man, this is fun. Fun bike. I'm taking it easy. I don't know the bike yet. Yo man, this bike is crazy. I'm not giving it back to you. You can keep that bike. Yeah.
Give it some gas, bro.
Yeah. You sure? All right. Damn, this bike is fun. Oh man, god damn it, why did I ride it? I gotta slow down.
It's so good.
Yo man, how you find that bike?
Huh?
How do you find my bike?
Comfortable.
It's comfortable, it's not fast.
Oh yeah, that one's fast.
Yeah, this is fast as fuck, boy.
Did you give it in second gear?
Yeah, I was like at 130.
Not flooring it, bro.
No, not flooring it.
Scary when you floor.
I don't want to floor it, man. I ain't used to it yet.
Huh?
I'm not used to it yet. I'm not gonna floor it. But damn, man, it goes. I'm gonna lose my license if I have a bike like this. Damn. Holy crap. This bike is fun. I'm smiling the whole time. Oh, damn, son. Yo, man. I'm smiling the whole time I'm riding this.
Huh?
I'm smiling the whole time I'm riding it, man. You want it back?
Okay, go for it.
Alright. Alright. It's crazy. Yo man, I gotta give it back. I'm gonna kill myself if I keep riding this. give it back now. All right, man. You can have her back. Yo, it's a beast, man. It's fast as fuck. Yo, I'm gonna say I'm gonna kill myself if I have that bike. I'm gonna ride it rough all the time.
Yo, you get on this bike, you want to drive fast.
I know, I was doing that, man. I'm like,
you want to downshift every gear and like.
Holy shit.
The sound is so rewarding.
Yo, I love it. Oh, there's a car coming. Alright. Oh man. No man, that bike like this. You guys can see that shit like that. Fun bike. Thanks Mr. Z900 for letting me ride it. Yo, I was like, damn. Now I feel like riding this bike like that. Oh, now it feels so weird having the forward controls. Yo, it's so weird. I was about to say the same thing. It's so weird having my foot in the front again.
You like that? It's nimble too, right?
Yo, yeah, it is. Damn, son, I just did a fucking
Wow.
Did you see it?
I saw the smoke.
I fucking locked up the rear brakes. Alright, you gotta remember, you ain't on that bike. You ain't on that bike. You're on your bike now. Don't ride it the same way. I just locked the rear brakes, man. It doesn't brake the same. Holy shit. I was riding this bike like I was still riding that. Like I was getting used, the braking on that bike, man, yo, puts this bike like, yo, it's so different. I actually like locked up the rear brakes. I was going, I was like riding up, I think I was like still riding like that bike. It's not the same brakes, man. No. Yeah. Actually, man, now that I'm back on this bike, I appreciate it. That bike, yeah, I love it, man. The Z900. But honestly, it does not suit me. I'm gonna be doing a hooligan all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to the boat for now till I get something else in like a couple of years.